Okay, this is a demo making 3/8 inch circles, and I'm using Stay Flow starch. The rings are already assembled with the fabric. You see the seam allowance is very scant. I'm painting the heavy-duty starch on the seam allowance. Then I'm using my fingers to pinch toward the center and my fingernails. And I'm pressing down over the bevel, smoothing the fabric over the bevel toward the center. Okay, and I'm going to turn it over to blot it a little because we don't want it to be too wet. It's not a lot of fabric we're talking about. So, there. I can see that all of the pleats are going toward the center, and I'm ready to iron. There, one quick press because I think I got everything all lined up properly. Now if the ring sticks to the bottom of the iron, it's just from starch. It's not a big deal. Turn it over, press. You can use a wet, damp cloth to wipe around, get the excess starch off. It happens sometimes with these small sizes because they don't weigh a lot. They have weight, but not, sometimes the starch is more adhesive and holds onto that small set here. Okay, so that's done. I made these earlier. I popped them out. They're beautiful. We have to wait for that to cool. Let's open these and see how I did. Pop. Look. Beautiful. The edges are smooth. So I know when I press it from the back first and turn it over, I'm going to have a nice smooth round circle, which I do. Let's see how the other one did. Pop out. Nice and smooth. Okay, remove the inner ring. Look, it just looks beautiful. Press from the back. Here, first you kind of want to set it. Press from the back, turn it over. Well, this is even more beautiful. Let's see if this one's ready to be popped. No, but we'll do it anyway. Don't do this. Wait for it to cool. Yeah, it feels really smooth. Let's open it. Yep, looking good. It's beautiful too. Now remember, every fabric is different. On the small sizes, you're just gonna have to see, but they're great. I'm pleased. I hope you'll be pleased too. That's the end of this demo.